name is Lynn Kitchen, and I am proud to say that I am the dame on the domain of purpose. And I love the concept of purpose because we get to ask the most powerful question that there is. It's a 3-letter word. Why? Why are you doing what you're doing? Right here, right now, right today. Why are you here? Why are you doing what you're doing out there in the world on a daily basis? I just really love it that we can somehow find a pause button within ourselves and press it and spend a lovely afternoon right here to take a minute, to take a breath, to pause, and to reflect what it is that we are doing. Why are we doing what we're doing? So I am the dame that has the privilege to ask each and every one of you, and myself as well on a daily basis, why am I doing this, and what is the reason that keeps me excited about getting up every day to have a new day, a new life, a new lease on life? I'd like to share with you that the real purpose behind the vision of the 4 dames is to empower the woman within to create more freedom in each of our lives in the 4 domains of health, wealth, love, and purpose. And we believe that if we can create a space within ourselves where we have more freedom to be well in our health, we create more freedom to have more money, wealth, opportunity, investments that we want to do and be and give in the world. We want to create freedom of love in which not only we're receiving magnificent, loving relationships, but that we can give love from a place within us so that we're overflowing with love from within to the point where we can't help but just overflow with love because that's who we are. And to create more freedom in the idea of purpose.